turn left at the traffic light, please. So this left turning you just did, I'm also going to talk to you about that in a minute as well. So as we've gone forward, I say to you, we're turning left at traffic lights, yeah? So that traffic light, when you turn left, there you made a mistake there, and that mistake could lead to a serious fault. What mistake did you make?
Indicate to...
You didn't know, indicate was fine. Because there was a car park there, you indicated, so it's fine, no problem with that. I'm talking about when you're turning.
I didn't look right, did I?
You did not look your right, because there was a triangle sign there telling you give way.
Yeah.
Do you saw the sign give way?
Yeah.
And what was on the floor? What is how many lines printed on the floor there?
Is it 2?
2 line means give way. So you're supposed to give way to traffic coming from your right. There was nobody coming that time. Obviously I let it go, but what if this is your test?
Yeah.
Okay.